Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to use the MyGuide desktop application to create amazing how-to videos on desktop. So if I go to myguide.org, I can see a download section, and from that download section I can install the MyGuide creator for Windows PC. There is also one creator and player for Mac as well. If you're interested in seeing what kind of guides we can create from desktop, you can go to our library. You can click on Windows OS. I can go inside settings, and then here there are a couple of guides. Like here is a guide. I think it was created on desktop, and it will give you an idea of what kind of guides can be created. So now the question is, how do we create such guides? So it's very simple. We launch the MyGuide application. This is the creator application. Once this application is launched, here it's loading. I will be able to create how-to videos like this, how-to giphies like this, how-to blogs like this, how-to giphies. So now I'm logged into the My Guide application. I can either view the guides that I've already published or I can create guide. So let's just create a very simple guide. We are just going to say how to, let's say how to turn off unwanted notifications in Windows app, right? Maybe that's what we want to create. There are a couple of settings here. I can capture screens on every click, or I can capture screen on interval. So my guide will keep on capturing screens every second. I just make it every 2 seconds, 1.5 second, or it can capture on click. I'll just create capture every 2 seconds and I'll click on record. So when I click on record, it will give me how many images it's capturing over here. I'll click on start. There is a 3, 2, 1 timer, and now I think every 2 seconds it will keep on recording. So first step for me is I need to type settings over here in the search window. So I'll type settings, and then the next step is for me to go inside settings. I think we were trying to do some notification stuff. So I can come back here and then I can type notifications. And here is the notification action setting. And then when I go inside it, it gives me an option to turn on or off notifications, right? So let's go back inside my guide. It has captured 18 images. I'll stop it over here. It will load all the images in the application. And now here is my editor. So first step was, I think we were trying to type settings in the screen. So we can say type settings in the search bar. I'll move it to the top and I can highlight an area over here. This is the area. I can increase a little bit thickness of this area and I will highlight this area. All right. So what we are saying is that in this area, you need to type settings. That's my step number 1. My step number 2 could be click on settings. Okay, so I can say click on settings as my step number 2. Click on settings. And then my step number 3 could be inside settings, type notifications. All right, so I can say type notifications inside settings. That's my step 3. And then like my step 4 could be, let's just record this one as well. This is fine. Just go to notifications, notifications. I can spell it correctly. And finally, inside notifications, just turn on and off whatever you like or whatever you don't like. Just turn on or off. So we're done with this guide. You can see that it's a fairly straightforward guide. If I want to blur some area, like my password is here, I can blur it out. If I want to crop, I can do it. I can also drop like numbers over here if I want to give some sequences, things like that. All right, so I can save this guide. It's giving some message, that's fine. Nobody reads these messages anyway. Maybe you should. And then what it's going to do is it's going to save this guide. And once this guide has been saved, I can then publish it. So now I can click on publish this guide and I can choose my category and subcategory. So we are going to publish it inside our library application. And we want to push this guide inside our Windows setting area. So what we are going to see over here is in this library, we will scroll down to the Windows operating system, to the settings area, and then to the apps area, and I can publish it. So this is how you can quickly create amazing how-to videos. You can publish them for desktop, for mobile, and that's how simple it is. All right, friends, hope you had fun. So you can see that it's now sending the guides to the application. It's sending steps one at a time, and that's how the MyGuide publishing works. So once the guide has been published, you will see it inside the application. All right, friends. Here it's saying it has successfully published, and that's how you publish guides. Thank you.